嘅少。Let's pick some good ones。係，我哋先望向前方。
먼저 가운데 찍겠습니다.
好，跟住我哋望一望左手邊一組嘅媒體朋友。
네, 왼쪽도 한번 봐주시고요.
非常之靚，我哋都望一望右邊嘅觀眾同埋媒體朋友。
오른쪽도 한번 봐주시고요.
好嘅，多謝晒咁多位。
네, 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
저는 주기양입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 이하입니다.
네. 오늘 잘
한국어를 엄청 잘하시네요.
저는 배우가 있어서 네.
就讚佢韓文好好，就學緊啦。
係嗱，咁咧，比如咧，我哋咁開心咧，請到 Beyond 嚟到現場咧，亦都同 Beyond 傾下偈啦。我知道咧，今次咧專程嚟到澳門咧，出席我哋 Vivienne Westwood and Jewellery 他和他的珠寶展喺中國華南地區首展嘅開幕典禮。咁知道咧喺較早嘅時候都已經率先咧睇咗我哋嘅展覽，不如同我哋現場咁多位分享下你嘅感受好唔好咧？
네, 먼저 이렇게 비비안 웨스트우드의 전시회 개막식에 참석할 수 있어서 너무너무 영광이고요.
咁首先咧就係可以咧嚟到呢一度咧參加 Vivienne Westwood 嘅呢個展覽嘅開幕儀式咧，係感到非常之開心同埋榮幸嘅。
So she is very honored to join us at the opening ceremony today.
네, 비비안 웨스트우드의 수십 년에 걸친 아카이브를 한 자리에서 한눈에 볼 수 있었다는 게 굉장히 큰 영광이었고 저한테 시각적으로도 패션으로도 굉장히 큰 영감을 준 그런 뜻깊은 시간이었던 것 같습니다.
咁可以喺呢個展覽裏邊咧睇到 Vivienne Westwood 咧咁多年嚟咁多件嘅作品咧，係覺得非常之榮幸啦，亦都係咧俾咗佢一個視覺嘅享受。
So she also find it very impressive and inspiring to be able to see so many pieces of jewelry creations and the exhibition. 好，咁咧接住落嚟都問一問啦，係啱啱講到咧有好多唔同嘅珍藏啦，咁有冇話邊一件咧特別有深刻嘅印象都同我哋介紹一下咧？
모든 작품들이 다 기억에 남는데요. 하나만 꼽자면은 브로큰 펄 넥클래스가 가장 기억에 남습니다.
係啦，咁其實咧每一件作品咧都係非常之印象深刻啊，因為都好靚啦。咁但係如果真係要去揀一件嘅話咧，就會係叫做破碎珍珠頸鏈啊 ，The Broken Neck Pearl Necklace。
係啦，咁啊。
전에 마카오 관광청 홍보대사로서도 또 일을 해왔었고 공연으로도 그렇고 마카오에 본 경험이 굉장히 많아서 많은 곳들을 가봤지만 비비안 웨스트우드 카페를 못 가봤었거든요. 근데 오늘 좋은 기회로 다녀와서 예쁜 음식들을 먹고 좋은 차도 마시고 좋은 시간을 보내서 만족합니다.
咁就係咧，其實咧，佢好幾年前咧就已經係咧被呢個澳門嘅觀光局咧邀請咧就做咗呢一個嘅觀光大使啦。咁所以佢都係咧成日都有嚟澳門嘅好多嘅 experience 㗎啦。咁但係咧一路都冇呢個機會咧去呢個 Vivienne Westwood 嘅 cafe 啦。咁今次嚟到咧就終於可以去嗰度去食啊，去嘗試咗一啲嘅飲食啊咁樣嘅。
So Bjorn was also the ambassador for our Macau Government Tourism Office in the past years. So she already traveled sometimes here in Macau, but this time very specially because she can enjoy some delicacy at the Vivienne Westwood Cafe. So very good experience, right? 非常之好，咁我哋都再次掌聲 thank you Bjorn 今日嚟到現場，相信咧佢同大家一樣係我哋展覽嚟到台上同我哋一齊進行合照同埋祝酒儀式嘅。So now I would like to also invite our official guests joining us on stage for a group photo and of course a toasting ceremony to officially kick off our exhibition. First of all, please welcome Ms. Daisy Ho, Managing Director of SJM Resorts SA. 有請澳門綜合度假股份有限公司常務董事何超鳳女士，掌聲有請。Please also welcome Mr. Andreas Contala, Creative Director of Vivienne Westwood. 我哋 Vivienne Westwood 創意總監 Mr. Andreas Contala and Mr. Giuseppe Allegoni, Chief Operating Officer of Vivienne Westwood. Vivienne Westwood 首席營運總監 Mr. Giuseppe Allegoni and Mr. Mike Yap, CEO of Modemia Limited, 浩達服裝有限公司首席執行官葉子成先生 and Mr. K.H. Mel, Managing Director of Modemia Limited， 好大服裝有限公司營運總監廖其康先生。Bravo! Welcome everyone of our guests. May I invite all of our guests to have a step to your right hand side so we can get them center to have a perfect photos. Yes. Please look to the front to our official photographer first. 請大家咧先望向我哋正前方大會攝影師嘅鏡頭啊！ Alright, please hold your pose and we still got some more official photographers there. Alright, please also to the cameras of our friends from the media on your left hand side, please. 請大家望向左手邊，我哋一眾嘅傳媒朋友。And of course to our friends and our media friends on our right hand side， 咁望一望右手邊嘅咁多位傳媒朋友同埋現場嘅觀眾同埋我哋嘅粉絲朋友。 Thank you. Please remain. And now we would like to propose a toast to officially kick off our fantastic exhibition for Vivienne Westwood and jewelry here in Macau. 接住落嚟咧，我哋將會邀請咁多位嘅主禮嘉賓同我哋主持祝酒儀式。But before the toast, please also look to the front. Let's take one more photo. As the Chinese food is always mentioned, the fortunate thing is always called double. Wow, we can see it on fantastic view, right? Yes, but we would also like to promote one more photo. Sorry, yes. Please look to the front. Perfect angle with our champagne as well. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready. After my countdown, let's raise our glasses up high together. 3, 2, 1, cheers! The Vivienne Westwood and Jewelry Exhibition 2026 Macau is now officially open. Vivienne Westwood 開幕他的珠寶展2026澳門站正式開幕，讓我哋掌聲恭喜，亦都期待更多嘅朋友嚟到現場，同我哋一齊見證 Vivienne Westwood 嘅龐克美學。Thank you all our guests. Please be seated. Thank you so much. 多謝晒咁多位主禮嘉賓，請移步回席就座，陳生你啦。